What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S giving you another reaction. Wagon, guys, wagon. Today we are here back again with Burna Boy 23. That song I just dropped. I'm gonna say, yo, I jump on it quick and fast. Me not have no top. Me no wish for me last it. Me just jump on it. Big up all of the African them in the house, especially Nigerians. Big up on yourself, dog. Burna Boy doing a proud. So without further delay, let's jump in it. We not waste no time. We are go react. We are reacting. We're not breaking down. We are reacting. All right. So let's jump straight tonight and go. Let's go.
Music make me feel like be Jordan. Now understand what they say I ain't.
Did Jordan read the number 23 pan him jersey? Jordan is 23. So him said the music make him feel like Jordan, right? That's what he said. That's what he just read, right?
Now understand what they say.
Hold on, wait. Sorry, guys. Burna Boy 23. Okay. Jordan 23. Okay.
Music make me feel like be Jordan. Now understand what they say I ain't. Got the money all around me, so down. Music make me feel like be Jordan. Now understand what they say I ain't.
Is he singing to this girl? Is he singing to her? What is he doing? Is he actually singing to she? Or singing for she? Cause singing for her, not she. She beautiful enough. She beautiful girl. Let's go. Hold on. Is he signed to Pepsi? Cause is he signed to Pepsi? Is he signed to Pepsi? Is he signed to Pepsi? This is why I'm asking. Is he signed to Pepsi? Because that's not normal for a video like this. May I pick up some of what he's saying, but it seems like he's speaking also a different language. Or is it the way that he's speaking? Because he did say he's a greasy Nigerian, so, you know?
Trust anyone, but all that I have and I've been working. No go do like say I don't deserve them. Defend myself in a fear no one.
Straight, defend yourself, no fear nobody. Defend myself, we no fear no man out here. Them for know that, you see me? Let's go.
Because if it me plenty gunny, making me plenty money. Hypocrite plenty gun, but they pretend they gunny.
Yo, he's changed his flow. Flow change.
Defend myself in a fear no one. Because if it me plenty gunny, making me plenty money. Hypocrite plenty gun, but they pretend they gunny. Got to prevent them from me. Them are identical to the.
Flow different, but it's catchy. If you can pick up what everything what I must say, I pick up some of what I must say. Like me say, some, not everything. Yo, big up yourself, Burna Boy. Big up. I like me say, big up all of the African them. Burna Boy, I rep phone no dog. On better be proud of this guy. You know?
I just sit down walk on me, but they make you look on me. I go be all I can be. All who are gonna walk by me. Music make me feel like be Jordan. I understand what they say I ain't.
The chorus catchy as fuck. The chorus is so catchy, guys. It's not a joke.
Got the money all out me, so down. Anybody listening? Only what up in my head and my feet. Anybody try me, then go. Music make me feel like be Jordan. I understand what they say I ain't. Got the money all out me, so down. Anybody listening? Only what up in my head and my feet. Boy, no matter what them can't prove, what them can't prove, cause them want to twist my food.
Them attack what them can't prove, So basically, somebody attack basically shit what them can't prove. So the case, let's hear the part again.
talk what them can't prove, what them can't prove, cause them want to taste of my food. Give you my food, then you talk say I charge you. Try to pick a man car, got it pass you. Feel like I'm coming from my uncle. My arrival come fuck up the cycle.
My arrival come fuck up this cycle. Yo, he's the king of the African music. OS is out here doing it as big as he is. Big up all the African artists then, but if I'm wrong, tell me who else is doing it like him. He's ripping it for the continent. He's not just for Nigeria, for the whole continent, dog. He might do it.
Feel like I'm coming from my uncle. My arrival come fuck up the cycle. Coming psycho and no telling what I might do. Violate me, make me better top a man slide it.
Violate me, what?
Coming psycho and no telling what I might do. Violate me, make me better top a man slide it.
Violate me, make him break. Basically, I say, yo, if you violate him, brother, I got deal with it. So don't violate. Violate him, make him brother run up and something, say something. He must sing like him rapping on one way where you have to pick up everything when I say, I speak a different language. No, but it's a vibe. This is a vibe. This is a vibe.
Make up the pity me plenty gunny. Making me plenty bunny. He pocket plenty gun with the pretend gunny. Cut up defend them from me. Them are identical to the devil gunny. I just see them work on me, but they make it look on me. I go be all I can be. All who are gonna work on me. Music make me feel happy, Jordan. I understand what they say, I ain't born. Got the money all out, me so down. Anybody listening? Only what up in my head and my feet. Anybody try me, then go. Music make me feel happy, Jordan. I understand what they say, I ain't born.
Yo, I love this. I don't know why. Let me say, it's a vibe. I love it. Even though I can't pick up everything what he's saying. But this is a next party banger. When the world is going to open up back. When the big C is going to leave planet Earth. People need to party. People need to shake them leg. Or two. People need to be out partying, dogs. The amount of bangers will drop since last year till now. Come on, dog. Like, people need to be out in a club or at a barbecue somewhere. Having a wall in a vibe, like open up at the country, dog. Come on.
Anybody listening? Only what up in my head and my feet. Congrasso, I jagbo. Don't go con the datum. So what's the yakum? It's a mad one. Roll a lap one, record my album. When I trust anyone, but all that I have and I've been working.
Woo 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 woo. Me just pick up him to this, sir. Me not trust any man. Me roll like a yard man. Big up all the Jamaicans in the too, you know. You don't know, we're not too trust people, you see me? We're not too like humans, you see me? Yeah.
My album, when I trust anyone, but all that I have and I've been working. No good to like say I don't deserve them.
Right, like a yard man. Don't go like say I don't deserve, basically. Don't act like say I'm not been working. Me I work. WORK, me I work. Blood clot. Nobody. Yeah, give them up. Yeah. Clear and shut it.
Look at me now, Grammy award-winning Burna Boy.
Yo, big man thing. Yo, I love this. Me not tell no lie. I love this. Yo, the country needs to open up back so people can start party again. Shut up. The country just needs to open up back so people can start party again. Because there's so much banger dropping. And I'm glad me catch that one here early. Why for the early? Shirley. Me catch that one here Shirley. You see me? Burna Boy, big up yourself. Big up all of the African them there. Big up all the African them support my channel. People watching from Ethiopia. From Kenya. Big up all the people them support me. You see me? Yeah, it's a very, very young channel and it's growing very, very quick. So big up all the support them. Big up everybody who there. This was a reaction, so not a lot of stopping, but you don't know. I will get back to the breaking down when I feel like it. Alright? So guys, if you enjoyed that one, yeah, I want to see more. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Please drop a like on the video so YouTube can recommend it to other people so the community can grow. You see me? Nation! Yo, we're out of here. Big up on yourself. Peace.